Hello everyone, it's me again, Mr. Yai. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hack in AI courses. Yes, you heard that right. I used to get an 8 in my class. I can do it. Today, you can do it too, without knowing how to code, how to preprocess the data, how to build a model, etc. Fortunately, in this video, I'll teach you how to upgrade your code even more to make them feel like you did it. So how did I do it? Let's get started. Okay, the website today we're talking about is Teachable Machine. It's really a grateful tool. Teachable Machine allows you to classify images, sounds, and poses. You can create new project or open a project from Drive. You can see that an image 224 pixels. It can export into Tensorflow JS, Tensorflow, and TensorFlow Lite models. Okay, let's get around. Okay, in this example, I will do money classification. I will classify two types of Vietnamese money, 50,000 and 100,000. And we can name our classes like this, 50,000. Okay, let's open the webcam. You can crop or not crop the image, flip the image, or change the webcam. Okay, if not crop, I can change the frame per second. I can hold to record or change the delay to record. Okay, let's do an example. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can see that the picture is recorded automatically. It is pretty convenient, right? We can remote 2 to 3 seconds more to collect the number of pictures that we want. Maybe 100, 200. Now let's move on to the 100,000 class. So instead of directly recording images from this website, we can upload our dataset from our computer to this website to train. I have already made a dataset called money classification. You can choose it from the Google Drive, the TM file. Let's check our dataset. 50,000. Okay. 100,000. Yeah, that's good. Next to the training, you can change the parameters like epochs. You can see the explanation of the epochs right here. You can change the batch size, 16, 32, 48 or so, and the learning rate. If you're new in this field and you want to know more about the meanings of these params or there's influence on the models, on the results, please comment below and I will make another video. Okay, let's train the model and please do not switch tab. Okay, let's check the under the hood. You can see the vocab. They have vocabularies related to this field like the test sample, train sample, and the fit. It can calculate the accuracy per class by taking a piece of the dataset to test it. And the accuracy right here, the test accuracy and the train accuracy is good. The loss and the test loss and the train loss is pretty good. So yeah, I think everything is good. Okay, now let's check the results. Yeah. Okay, the result is not really good. I think it's because of our data collecting process, because our data is not different with angles or different lightings. So the model, when it's predict with different angles, different lighting, will create so bad results. So we need to check on that. It's maybe because of the epochs learning rate and batch size and so on, but I think it's not in our case right now. If you want, I guess I can do another videos about the data collecting process because it's really important in creating a model, a good model. Okay, now let's start export model. Okay, it can export TensorFlow JS, TensorFlow, or TensorFlow Lite, but I guess we can use TensorFlow. Okay, right here you have Keras and OpenCV Keras. Okay, the difference here is Keras using Pillow library to import image and another file using OpenCV. So I will teach you how to use both files. Okay, let's download our models. Now I have my folder right here, money classification. Let's see what's inside. Okay, the converted file, zip file. So we unzip the file to have the label text and the model H5 TensorFlow model file. So now open TensorFlow, Keras, and all I need is just copy all of the code right here to paste it into Pycharm. Now let's say another thing that we need to do is to change the link path into our model. Okay, now copy the Keras H5 model into this link and change the link to the image that we want to classify inside the folder data that I have created right here. Got 3 images of it, 100K. Okay, this is the picture. We got a size 224, 224. Open it with Pillow library and turn the image into number array, and then normalize the image into 0 and 1. Okay, load the image into the model to predict, and then after that it will create a label from the possibility that is the output of the model. You can see that the label right here in the label file text. Okay, our model create the prediction in just under 1 second and the result is good, 100,000 K. Okay, read the image from OpenCV. Okay, I have to write 2 functions, CV to pill and pill to CV to change the pillow image into OpenCV image and vice versa. The result is 100K, which is good, huh? Here I got inbreed image with OpenCV, resize image, and after the prediction, I have to show the image with the result on it, which is I use the CV to put text. Yeah, basically you can use the OpenCV on a Teachable Machine, copy all the code, and it will predict on the camera with OpenCV. But I would like to do it my way. And yes, I rewrite the code, and yes, I will copy the code to make another file for you to see the difference between them. So here you can still see in the cam file .py have 2 functions used to have to load the model, load the image, the size, and the labels, and you have to open the camera to take the picture. Okay, here I still use the put text to put the result on the image. I have to show the image and then use the wait key and queue function to quit. Okay, after running it, I can see that it always have the text 100K. So let's take with 50K. Okay, sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong, but it's usually wrong when I move the 50K out of the camera. Okay, 100K is always right, so tell me the problem and how to fix it in the comment section. Okay, now let's use the OpenCV of Teachable Machine and let's see what happened. Okay, I got my file KMTM right here and I have copied all the code Now let's run it. Okay, now I have my new webcam right here, and please comment below what is different from my previous webcam, what is wrong with this current webcam, and tell me how to solve it. You can see the results on the left of my screen. Okay, I guess with this video today, you can learn how to cheat on your professor, how to cheat on your employer, which made the belief that you can classify things with AI, with deep learning, machine learning, without knowing how to code, without any knowledge about the models. And I hope you have a great day. So see you next time on another videos.